Okay, friends. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, just a small video. In this, I am going to explain about how to create a random block of questions from the different pools. Okay, so let me show by practically. Open any of your subject from your blackboard. Okay, and go to pools. Go to pools. Yeah, here go to pools. See here I created chapter 1 multiple choice true false one pool, short answers one pool, and chapter 2 multiple choice and true false one pool, and chapter 2 short answers one pool. Okay, another pool is fill in the blanks, chapter 1 and chapter 2. So here I created the number of pools is 5. So from these 5 pools I want to give exam for the students for 20 marks. Okay, so before creating a exam, first you have to decide how many marks from the each chapter you want to give, and also you can decide how many questions, type of questions want to give from each and every chapter. So here I decided before itself. See, my exam is total 20 marks, and from the chapter 1 I am going to give 10 marks, and from the chapter 2 I am going to give 10 marks. So here the type of questions I written clearly. From the chapter 1, choose questions, multiple choice questions I want to give. Each one is 1 mark, so the total 2 marks. And the true false questions I want to give from the chapter 1, 4 questions. Each question is half mark, so the total marks for the true false is 2 marks. So like that you can decide before itself. So from the chapter 1 10 marks, and from the chapter 2 I am going to give here 10 marks. The total marks is 20 marks for my exam. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, then after finish creation of your pools and all everything in the pools, then you can start creating the exam using the random blocks. Okay, go to test and pools, go to the test here, this one. Okay, so build the test. Here I will write the text is mid 1 exam, mid 1 exam. Okay, so the mid 1 exam. If you want to give if you want to write any description for the students, you can write here, dear students, exam has so and so mark, like that you can write here. Okay, so then submit. Okay, so now your mid 1 exam was created. So inside this mid 1 you can give this type of questions. From the chapter 1 10 questions, and from chapter 2 10 questions, different types of questions from the given pools. Okay, so for that go to reuse question and create random block. Okay, if you create this one, automatically pool will display. So see here, chapter 1 multiple choice true false, chapter 1 short answers multiple choice true false, these are all the pools. So first from the chapter 1 I can decide. Okay, submit, choose chapter 1, then you can choose multiple choice. Okay, first multiple choice, right? So the multiple choice here, choose this one, then submit. Okay, so here the random block was created for the multiple choice. So from the chapter 1 multiple choice, how many questions you want to display, click this one and write here 2 questions I want from chapter 1 multiple choice, then submit. Each question 1 mark, so here you can change the points as 1 mark, submit. Okay, so now see that exam contains total 2 questions and 2 points. The 2 questions from chapter 1 multiple choice. Okay, then go for again same reuse question, create random block, and from the chapter 1 again choose. Here you can choose now true false, right? True false. Okay, then submit. The random block was created for the true false. Yes, this one. So true false, how many you want to you want from the chapter 1? 4. 4 questions. Write here 4 questions. And write the marks. For the true false, I am giving 0.5 mark, half mark. You can write here half mark. Then submit. Okay. So now you can see here in the exam, total 6 questions and total 4 marks. Okay. Then, yeah, see, same procedure. Yes. Then again go to create random block, and from the chapter 1 short answers, click the short answers and here choose short answers. Yes. Then submit. Yeah. Now the random block was created for short answers. So the short answers, how many you want to display here? 2 questions, and each one is 2 mark. Okay. So here you can write, yeah, number of questions you want to give from the chapter 1, 2 questions. Then submit. And the each question carries 2 mark. You can write here the points 2 mark. Submit. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. You want to give how many? Here you can see the fill in the blanks from the chapter 1 2 and from the chapter 2 2. Okay. So for creating the fill in the blank random block, you can go again here, create random block and choose fill in the blanks. Here I made the pool chapter 1 and chapter 2 fill in the blanks in same. Okay. So I can choose here fill in the blanks, then choose the fill in the blank here, then submit. So this pool is from chapter 1 and chapter 2. So directly I am giving here. So total 4 fill in the blanks. 2 from chapter 1, 2 from chapter 2. Submit. Then here you can change the mark. Each carries 1 mark. Submit. Okay. So now the chapter 1 mark and chapter 1 questions and completed. So now you can go for the chapter 2. Create random block, reuse question. Then you can choose chapter 2. Okay. So from the chapter 2, first you can choose the multiple choice. Where is that? Multiple choice. Yes, multiple choice. Submit. And the chapter 2 random block was created. And here how many you want to give from the chapter 2 multiple choice? 2 questions. Submit and give the mark. Each carries 1 mark. Submit. Okay. Then again from the chapter 2 you want to give the true false, right? Then again go to the pool, choose this one and choose the true false. Submit. Then now go for the pool here. How many you want to give true false from the chapter 2? 4. And here each carries half mark. You can give half mark. Submit. Okay. Then again short answers, right? From the chapter 2 you want to give 2 short answers. Select this one and choose here short answer. Submit. Go to the random block. Here how many you want? 2 questions. 2 questions. Each carries how many mark? 2 mark. 2 mark. Submit. Okay. So now you can check, cross verify everything clearly. Okay. See the total questions 20 and the total points 20 points. So here we have to check compulsory. Our exam is for 20 marks, right? So you can cross verify very clearly this one. See 20 mark. Your exam is 20 mark. Okay. Then from the chapter 1 multiple choice. See this one. Chapter 1 multiple choice 2 questions. Okay. So here 2 questions. Okay. Then chapter 1 multiple true false. True false is 4. Yes. Cross verify like this. Finally you can cross verify very clearly. Okay. And the short answers 2. And fill in the blanks from chapter 1 2 and from chapter 2 2. So total 4. So same like that from chapter 2 multiple choice 2. Multiple choice 2. And true false 4. And short answers 2. So once you cross verify everything and you got confidence, yes, I did very correctly like that, then you can check once again the total points, total marks, how many marks, 20. Then you can click here, okay. Your exam was created. Okay, so the mid one exam was created. Okay, then this exam you want to give for the students, right? So for that, go to assignments and test. Here click this one, assessments, go to assessments and click the test. You will find here the created exam, right? So in the pool, in the tools, pools and course tools, we created exam, right? So choose this one, exam, mid one exam, submit. Yeah, here you can give some description and you can give announcement to the students and you can make available to the students, and here you can give, if you want, number of attempts, multiple attempts, and then force completion, set timer for 1 hour exam duration. This and all I think everyone knows, right? So after that you can give this one at a time, prohibit backtracking and randomize questions. These three is very important. Okay, so after that, this also all answers, correct answers and submitted answers. One time view, one time view, because after finish exam they will see, students will see the answers. Okay, after that click submit. See, your exam was created, mid one exam was created. Okay, thank you so much. This is the procedure for creating the random block questions.